In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar. By the end, any change you make in one place will show up in the other, so your events and tasks stay aligned without extra typing or double checking. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the sync website. On the main page, look for the button that says Go to Application and click it. This takes you into the dashboard where you'll set everything up. Once you're in the application, click New Automation. This is where the connection between Notion and Google Calendar begins. You'll be prompted to add a calendar connection. Click Add Calendar Connection, then choose the Google account that holds the calendar you want to sync. Sign in if prompted and allow the necessary permissions so the tool can read and write to your calendar. When that's done, click Continue to move forward. Next, you'll be asked what you want to sync. Choose Events and Tasks. Picking both ensures your scheduled items and your to-dos are included so you don't miss anything that matters. After that selection, hit Continue again. Now set the sync direction. Choose two-way sync. This is the key setting that keeps both platforms updated. Changes in Google Calendar flow into Notion, and changes in Notion flow back to Google Calendar. It's the most robust way to keep everything mirrored. You'll then see fields for required details. Fill these out carefully. Depending on your setup, this may include selecting which calendar to use, which Notion database you want to connect, time zones, date properties, task status fields, or filters that control what gets synced. Use this section to tailor the sync to your workflow, such as limiting the date range or choosing specific calendars. When everything looks right, click Continue. Proceed through the remaining screens by clicking Continue as prompted. This confirms your settings and prepares the automation. Before going live, you'll see an option to test the setup. Testing is strongly recommended so you can verify that new events and tasks appear where you expect and that edits update in both places. If the test looks good, you're ready for the final step. Choose the subscription plan that fits your needs, then click Start Automation. Your two-way sync is now active. The first sync may take a moment, and after that, updates should flow automatically, saving you time and reducing duplicate entries. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Google Calendar tips and tutorials.